Welcome back to a new video today. Today we are reviewing the Samsung Active Watch 2. It's now 3 years. Let's see how it keeps up today. And for the people who want to buy the watch, I'll give you an honest review about it. I've been using this Active Watch 2 for almost a year right now. I bought mine used. It's a good watch. Um, Very responsive. For the watch itself, it's a stainless steel casing with an AMOLED curved screen. The screen has sensitive. You can use it to navigate the widgets. You can use it for navigating generally. So you get a when you swipe down, up, swipe down, you get the control panel. For the control panels, you have a couple of settings. These are good settings over here. For you have the do not disturb, the brightness, um, how do not disturb, always on settings, theater mode. You have a flashlight over there, flight mode. This is for making the screen not responsive when you are swimming, and when you're in that mode, it can't respond at all. To get out of the mode, you have to hold on this button. For it also to eject water out of the watch, you have to shake it also. It gives you instruction. And when you swipe on the left or on the right, you get the notification. This is where all your notifications will be available. And um, when you swipe on the left, you get all your widgets. For the widget, the best part is you can add other widgets that you want. You can put on an app, clock, app shortcuts, calendar, contacts, music, help app. It has so many. For the brightness level, it goes up to 10. Let me show you. It goes really, really high. See, goes really, really high. But for me, I use it between 5 and 4. That's convenient for me. Um, the watch bands are very good quality. For me, I have this rubber, silicone straps. But I understand there are so many straps. If you want to change the straps, you have so many straps. For mine, I'm using the mine for the watch. I'm using it's a 44 millimeter casing, and I really love it so far at the moment. And it's a really good watch for people who love fitness. You can go jogging with it, swimming, you can lift weights, so many things you can do. Let me go to that mode. You see what you can really do with it. Even if it can see the cycles of menstruation for women. You can compare your workouts with your friend. You can drink water, show you the calories. It can also check on stress level, heart rate, how you sleep at night. For the exercises, you have so many designs. Like for me, see, I really walk a lot. So for mine, it gives me all of them. For me, I can say the watch, it's a good watch. Also, at the same time, you can make calls with the watch. You can reply on messages, emails. You can you can do so much with it. It's a good smartwatch. It's not like the other ones that you get. You can only view notifications, but you can't respond. For the storage, it has, uh, I think it's an 8 GB or I'm not sure about the storage, but you can store a lot of music over here. For the battery life, it can give you between 1.5 days to 2 days. Mm, that is what I can conclude at the moment. And let me give you my review at the end, or my conclusion. My conclusion for the Active Watch 2 in the year 2022, for a 3-year-old watch, it's good for the price and the features that you get. You can't really get a better watch for that price and has AMOLED, all these features. For me, if I was asked if I can suggest this watch for anybody who's thinking of buying a watch, a smart watch, I can suggest this watch. It's lightweight, the size is really nice and comfortable on the hands. For people who love fitness, it will cater for your needs. And so, if you're really thinking about buying it, it's good. You can get it between $100 to $150. And as I remember, the Samsung Watch 4, it's higher. So, and you mostly get the same features, but the difference between those two watch, this is a Tizen, the other one it's a Android watch, two different OSs, but this one is good for fitness. If you're a guy or lady who loves fitness, pick this watch. For at the end of the day, I'll use it for a couple of maybe 1 year, and then maybe I'll get the Samsung Watch 4. And thank you for watching the video. Have a lovely time when you're chilling while watching the video, and goodbye. Let's check the next video, which I'm going to upload soon. Bye. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video.